It went off. Part 2. I accidentally went off the app, so yeah, that's why. We can't pick the same fidget as well.
Okay, now put the fidget down.
Okay, go.
Okay, that's a new.
You can't pick that because it's already been
I
picked.
can't pick it, but
It won't be that fun if you pick it. Okay, close my eyes. You have the phone. You can't pick that though.
guys, I can pick it, but it won't be that fun.
Yeah, and you want the video.
Hold on, I'm just gonna go over here so he doesn't know. I'm picking every single fidget. I'll tell you when I'm ready. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put you down. Not finished. Guys, look what I'm making a step on. Amina, step on it.
That's like a
Get back in the phone! Guys, we're still in. We're still in. It might have gone off.
No, not gonna. Okay. That was just for you anyway. Okay guys, so yeah, that's the end of the video. I know this one was short, it's just because we were meant to make the other one longer, but I accidentally went off the app. So it stopped recording. So yeah, we did part 2. So yeah, bye!
Bye.